Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're on Pride time now with the holiday rush. Santa Claus will be here shortly. But if you wanted to get something for somebody, this might be a good one to get. Definitely check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, just add it to your cart now. But here we go. What is this thing? Mobile phone LED light. Ooh, definitely could use these. Be good for vlogs, blogs, TikTok, any live stream you guys do on the road. Mobile phone LED. Not sure what company this is, but oh, this box could be destroyed. There we go. So we got some goodies out of this. I'll test it out. I think it's for all cell phones. Got some stuff out of there. RGB LED selfie light. So we shall see. Oh boy. Got some goodies right there. Product install. Bada boom, bada bing. There's a light board, USB Type-C charging port, USB charging port, value minus, value plus, perimeter switching, power mode, front clip, angle adjustment, display screen, phone holder, fixed knob, thread hole, cold shoe mount. All right. So this must be the phone holder. Oh yeah. So it expands to whatever your phone is. Double check the description on the Amazon page to see if it fits your phone. And it'll be all good. Here's a clip. Chip clip. And we got here the light we need. Special. How do we turn this on? Oh boy, we got buttons here. There's a USB port. Hopefully it's already charged. Whoa. It is bright. You can see, look at all those. Oh yeah. Definitely. Game changer for video quality. Ooh. Got the blue light. So you won't blind your guests. Look at that. Strobe. I like the blue. Oh, here we go. They got the hue set right there. Man, that's nice. Let's off to the side. Wow. I'm definitely liking this one. I'll be using this a lot. Take a clip. Unless I get another one, but definitely going to be Clipping this onto my phone. So you can have it either like this, I can have it like this, but once I clip it on, kind of weighs it down. There we go. Definitely, though, really a good one to have. I'm losing my voice. But super bright, though. You can adjust it. Those buttons right there. USB. Good to go. So, really good. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link's going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.